Hey guys, this is me Ammar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload your KiCad project over GitHub using Git. Why it is necessary? So when you want to work with multiple teams, the hardware team, the firmware team, and you want to take out the track for everything. So in that case scenario, Git plus GitHub combination is going to be very useful. In this video, I'm not gonna get into detail of version control, but I will show you how to upload your KiCad project over GitHub. First of all, open your main folder of KiCad, then right click on it, open directory in File Explorer. Alright, once you open this, then right click here, show more option, open Git Bash here. Alright, this is going to be your step-by-step tutorial, so just be patient with me. Okay, so we will put here a command. So this folder is necessary for files which is not required. Hit enter. So as you can see, a folder is created here. Right click on it, open with any text editor. I will open it with Notepad. Okay, so here we will put the file which is not required. You can get this information in the description below. These are the files that we don't need in our project. So I'll just hit Ctrl+S. Again open Git Bash, put the command here git in it. Alright, once you do that, you can see here a folder .git. So for that you have to go in view, show hidden items. So you can see here .git file. If I double click, then these folders create the track details of this project. So get back from here and I will put here again git status. So as you can see, it won't include .gitignore, which is all these are unstaged file. So for adding this, we will write here git add dot git ignore. Alright, if I want to see the status of it, again I'll just search or I'll just put the command. Okay, so now we want to add all the files together. So for that we will put the command git add period symbol dot. Now all the files are created. So for that now we will commit this project. So I'll put here git commit -m and I will put my message here, which is first commit. Okay, now as you can see, all folders are done here. So I'll check the status again. So git status, as you can see, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay, we will open our GitHub. We'll go here, new repository, and the name of this repository is, and put a short description here. Then after that choose visibility public. So I'm gonna keep this project for public. So if you don't want to make your project public, you can just hit here private. So I want to keep it public, so I'll leave it as it is. Just hit on create repository. Alright, now I will copy this and I'll put this information here because I need it while uploading the same project over GitHub. I'll type it manually because you cannot put it by copying and pasting it. So hit enter. Now again the command, which now as you can see the project is being uploaded. So if I open my GitHub, refresh it, you can see here all the files are uploaded here. So in this way you can upload any KiCad project over GitHub using Git.